Hi guys, right, so I've got the next set of stamps that I want to use. So as well as this vintage lady here, there are these lovely ladies in this set. So I wanted to use the clouds and the lady with the brolly. To go red or black. I could do both, couldn't I? I think the red will look nice actually. Will look nice on the black. So we'll just first and foremost we'll do her in red. So that's that, I think. Okay. So I'm going to pop her up here. I've been using the black stays on as well with this. It doesn't really come off. Now we'll see how this turns out, whether it will be. Yeah, it's a nice effect. And you know what I think? That again there. Two with the clouds, and then I think I'm going to do. I did with this on this one on the side there. I'm just going to do this lady all over without the clouds. I think just random. Red and black, maybe, I don't know. I think. And even. Oh, sorry guys, I'll hover as if she's walking off the page. Let's do. Let's do them. I should pop a little something under. Maybe. Yeah, I think this 5 will be fine. And what I'll probably do is pop a little washi on the top. There. So I'll put that on the side there just to give it a little wipe. I also have this lady here. If you can see her, where's the thingy? This lady here, it's sort of dancing in the rain, that one. So we'll do, will we do anything with her? Yes, I think we will. We will just do a little, I'm going to do her in the black ink. Do her in the black ink, I think. Just for starters. Right, so we're going to do her in the black ink. I'm going to pop her on there. And I'll just, oh yeah, frame. Okay, we're going to pop her down here. There's those couple. Where shall I pop her? So these will be, right, okay. I think she can just trot her little way across the page. You can dance like she's dancing across the stage. I think that'd be quite nice because I did want to have. Just going to do 3 of her, I think. Okay. I liked this little dictionary page because it had at the top glad rags. I thought that was quite fun. So that's just her, I think. I'll pop that there for now. And then I wanted to use this one. You might have seen it before. Recognise it from the travel journals I've done, and I've put quite 2 or 3 in the actual notebook because I love it. It's this old-fashioned sort of camera. I love the size of it, and it's a really nice if somebody wanted to pop a picture on a card or a photograph on the back of it, I think that'd be a nice one. So I'll do that like this. Let's do it here. I wonder how that will turn out. Right, I'm going to really press that right down. Oh wow, that's not sounding or come out the best, did it? Did not come out the best. Don't know how. I don't know why that is. We'll try it on this. Let's try it on this one here and see. Might just end up with just one of these, guys. Right, let's try it again. Let's try it on this one. Well. Okay, right, here we go. A little better. Not the best. Not the best, that one. Not the clearest. But there you go. I'll put that down there. So what I'll do now is basically cut these accordingly. I think what I might do is actually stop. Yeah, let me cut these down and then I'll be back. Hi, so yeah, I've cut them all down. I've cut them to size, and what I'm going to do now is just embellish them, and then yeah, we'll ink the edges and do the corners. So I thought just for these, maybe just a little something top and bottom. Don't know what you think. I've actually done them, one of them I just looped over the back, which looks quite nice, I thought. So yeah, maybe let's just do a little bit of washi over the top. I'll just do one of each for now so you can see how it looks. I'll do it's not. I'll do that top and bottom, I think. I think it looks really pretty. What is that pretty? Particularly, it adds a nice soft edge, this washi, if it's not a project that I'll be sewing on lots. So trim that. And you can see that will be okay. So I'll pop that with those because I'm quite happy with those ones. So I'll leave these here, the other ones, so you get an idea what I've done with that. Actually, we could use a little more of the red, I think, on here, on one of them. What do you think? Just in the middle? Yeah, okay. I think we'll try that in the middle. And then on the others, I might just use a couple of phrases. very similar to the lady with the other hat. I'll pop that there, and I will edge this with red ink. That will really give it a nice finish. So pop that up there like so. I wonder if that'd be a bit much. What about something to do with destination? Let's try that. Let's try that. Just destination and adventure. Maybe with one of these. I'm just flying by the seat of my pants here. Hoping I remember where the glue is. Maybe. Let's have a look. I might even get a little postage. Let's see how that works. I'll just pop a little bit of glue on that. I haven't got a glue stick or anything. I'll just pop that there like so. And maybe just across like so. Don't know. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I might just cut that down a little bit. I might just cut that down a little bit. And perhaps, don't know if that will be. Oh, let's give it a whiz. Let's give that a whiz. See how it is. Tell me in the feedback if you think it's all a bit much, but it's not really the right red. Alright, so that's that one. And I think this one here, I really quite fancy that down there, like so. Let's make sure it's long enough. I've used this throughout the whole of this project in the 3 TNs, to be honest. I love it. And I think it looks, as I say, it's really good because it doesn't, it's got a kind of a lacy thing going on, but it's not really bulky, particularly for a project like this where it really needed to be. So I'll pop that like that and then cut it down a little bit. Really needed to be functional for note taking, so you don't need much bulk. No, that's not straight. This could take some time. This could take some time. Trying to get that straight like so. That's better. That's better. So I might just trim that right. Okay, that's not good, is it? Oh, that's my other one. Okay, that's that one we're going to do. So we've got that, we've got one of these. I think we might just keep that as it is, shall we? Unless we pop a little, I don't know, maybe a little stamp on there. And I might actually just put a little postage mark on that, to be honest. Stamp a postage. That could be quite nice. Let's try that. Let's do that like that. And then I will get my postmark stamp. And I think that could look quite nice. Let's just pop it on and see how that looks. Just inking up the stamp as we speak. Is this the one that's not too brilliant? Let's pop it on here. Let's pop that on there for now, like so. It's reasonably flat. Do it that way, that way, that way, that way. I think we'll do it like that. Let's do it like that. As you can see, I take no prisoners when it comes to stamping. Oh, okay. Not too bad. Not too bad. So we've got them. I'll do these after. Actually, this doesn't look too bad. Let's see what we can do with this. Let's just do on this, I think, some words. Travel, understanding, la 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 la. Memories, do you think? Inspire, journey, memories. Myself, moment. What about moment? Memories. I'm going to do it. In there, bit much. Memories. And looks like it needs something, not quite sure what. Oh well, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll just edge it with, I will probably edge it with red, and that will give it a bit of a pop, I think. So the next thing to do after this is basically to with your handy corner rounder thing, is round all the corners, which I think for personally makes a real difference when it comes to finishing off your little cards and things. Actually, this looks a bit wide, doesn't it? I might have to take that down a little bit to actually fit it into my... I will do that just to really make sure that I've got... it fits into the traveller's notebook pocket. Okay, so you get the idea. And what I'll probably do is stop this now, carry on in a mo. I'll be back.